Welcome to the world of Triveni Turbines, where innovation, reliability and efficiency converge to deliver sustainable heat and power solutions. We manufacture industrial steam turbines up to 100 megawatts and refurbish rotating equipment at our state-of-the-art facilities. With a journey spanning over 5 decades, we are a preeminent global player, renowned for delivering world-class products and services. We partner with our customers, offering a comprehensive range of solutions throughout the life cycle. We take pride in the fact that many of our clients have chosen to standardize on our product range for their global operations. Our portfolio includes highly advanced condensing turbines, efficient back-pressure steam turbines for process steam needs, and energy-efficient API steam turbines. We maintain a relentless dedication to excellence, ensuring that every facet of our operations, including design, production, and testing, adheres to the highest quality standards. We offer industrial heat and power solutions and decentralized steam-based renewable turbines, specifically for biomass, independent power producers, process cogeneration, waste-to-energy and waste heat recovery. We are driven by a clear mission to offer value-engineered, energy-efficient and sustainability-led solutions globally. Our dedication to sustainability is evident in our continuous investments in research and development for alternative energy solutions. Our unwavering commitment towards continuous innovation, backed by digitalization and automation, ensures that our customers experience exceptional performance and reliability from our offerings. By forging strategic collaborations with renowned research and academic institutions, we drive advancements in the steam turbine technology, delivering unparalleled efficiency that leads to reduced fuel consumption and minimized carbon emissions. As a globally trusted partner, we extend our relationship beyond installations, providing comprehensive 360-degree support throughout the entire life cycle of the turbine. Additionally, we specialize in refurbishing and servicing rotating equipment for various brands. Our offering includes a wide gamut of aftermarket solutions, including installation and commissioning, spare parts, operations and maintenance, refurbishing services, and more. Our state-of-the-art testing facilities and a team of highly skilled engineers ensure that each steam turbine undergoes rigorous testing, guaranteeing its optimal performance and reliability. The extensive list of references and the high repeat customer base stand as a testament to our unwavering commitment to quality and the high level of customer satisfaction. Just like the boundless cosmos, Triveni Turbines surpasses borders, exporting steam turbines to every corner of the world, empowering customers in their continuous operations. Triveni Turbines, where technology, engineering, excellence and capability converge.